Hey guys, welcome to another fabric rendering video where we will be doing holographic. The attire I am drawing has shiny smooth holographic finish. To begin with, mark the folds lightly with a pencil. Now holographic fabric can be little tricky to master. Firstly, we can start by practicing curved lines to understand the folds and the color reflections in various types of garments. So yes, that's how you can start. And here you can see I'm using Faber-Castell watercolor pencils, which are easily soluble in water. This can be confusing as which color to choose next to which color to get the perfect holographic shine. The best way is to understand it through a rainbow. So just remember the color order of the rainbow. Suppose you started with indigo, so the color above the indigo will always be blue and the color above the blue will always be green. Also, by using the pink shade next to the violet, you can soften the harsh tones of the violet, and the pink will also bring a neonish glow to the holographic garment. So you can also use the pink shade along with the other colors of the rainbow palette. I hope you understood this rainbow theory. Suppose you started with green. The colors above green will always be yellow, orange and red. So let us begin with our rendering now. I will start with my first color, blue, and mark the folds first. Now a holographic fabric casts different colors at different angles where it reflects the light. These folds reflect light and that's where you can see the colors. So after using the blue, I will follow the rainbow color order and use my next color, indigo. After using the indigo, I have used violet and pink. Here you can see the color order where I have used blue, indigo, violet and pink. Now you can stop at this point of using your colors, as not all the holographic fabrics or garments reflect all the colors. Some has 2, 3 or 4 colors from the rainbow color order, but I have used little more colors here above the blue, which is green, yellow and little of the orange, and I have not used the red here, as I have mentioned you earlier also that the holographic fabric may not reflect all the colors, and this depends at the angles by which the light is reflecting at the fabric. To blend the colors, you can use either an alcohol based blending marker or just water, because we are using water soluble color pencils here. Now while using your brush, don't dip it in water, but just wet the brush a little to blend the colors well and not mixing the colors completely. To highlight the folds and add some shadows in the garment, I'm using a gray pencil, and for the darker shadows I will use a black pencil next. Adding some shine here with white poster color. Don't use the white color too much, but just in the gaps near your holographic shine. For the skirt, I am taking 3 colors from the rainbow, but the thing you need to take care of is that the colors you are choosing are next to each other in the rainbow color palette. Just like earlier, I will first start by rendering the folds and then adding the next color, that is the navy blue, and finally adding the violet. And since I'm adding some violet here, I will use the pink, and you will see that the skirt will appear to be neonish. You can see that I am using my gray pencil to line the areas of shine in the skirt, and yes, by using color pencils like gray, black, and adding some shine to the fabric using poster colors or white gel pen, you can bring some depth to the fabric, and that's how you can easily render your holographic attires. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This was a requested video on how we can draw holographic if we don't have markers with us. I hope I did my best, and please do share your thoughts on this, and you can check out other videos also in my channel. See you in the next one. Till then, take care.